Let me explain in this video the difference between organic and superficial or non-organic. In this area right here, you see a bunch of paints, various colors that are required to create art, to create something beautiful, um, to create something with meaning, with value sometimes. Without any of these variations here, you have something very black and white, very boring, uh, lifeless in a sense. If I were to focus or shift my focus into something that's totally one color, either black or white, and nothing in between with the variation that you see here, it's almost lifeless. There's no life. There's no room for looking into the future. There's no it's almost stale and just standing there like standing water. So in my explanation with regards to organic and superficial, organic is a term that it's used a lot with organic foods, like coffee. Coffee is an organic seed that is off the ground, grounded on planet Earth. Compare that with the word superficial, in other words, non-organic. And if you are open-minded, you will see clearly the true meaning of organic versus superficial. Superficial means that it's not on the surface. And we're talking about superficial in terms of grounded earthly things. It is not of this earth. Ponder on that for a while using this video and my approach to explaining these things in a perhaps layman's terms.